Check this out, home bakers. Brand new recipes have just landed in the Home Bakers Club. This time round, you'll be crafting a beautiful banana bread PLAIT loaf. There's actually bread with gooey chocolate chips and crunchy brown sugar on the top. You'll be using the ciabatta principle to create these fluffy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, halloumi and olive breadsticks and Japanese milk bread. Two ways, using a tangzong to bring that light cloud-like texture to what has to be one of the most popular breads of the moment. Not only that, but in true Back with Jack style, of course, we'll be creating some tasty dishes to help you celebrate your bread and make it the star of the show as you continue on your home baker's journey. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, go to bakewithjack.co.uk and discover for yourself the Home Bakers Club, real-time bread making courses you can do in your own kitchen at home. I hope you enjoy these new recipes. I'll see you in there. See ya.